What's up YouTube, it's me Amari and I am back with another video, and today I'll be converting hockey ice skates into quad skates. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hello guys, so these are my hockey skates. I got them off of eBay and I did an auction for them and they were $71 and they're so cute. But first I started by taking out the laces, and then right here you see these little rivet things. What you're going to do is take a screwdriver and a hammer and you're going to bang those out. For this little gold piece in the back of the boot, it's very tricky to get off, so I had my dad use the saw and cut off the top part of it so I could just pull it apart. The part that's circled in red is cut off an old skate boot. You're going to need a heel part to glue at the bottom. And at the bottom, the purple part, it is the nuts and bolts that are screwed through the heel and through the bottom of the shoe. Then after you do that, you're just going to attach your truck parts as you normally would, you know, just assemble the boot. But my cushion pieces were too big, so I ended up having to cut them to size because they were just a little bit too thick for my liking, and I couldn't get the top nut on top of the bolt. So this is just me assembling. Then at the end you will add your favorite wheels and add your laces back, and also your insoles so your feet don't hurt, and add your toe stops as well. And that's basically it for this video, guys. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Till next time, bye.